Now we want you to imagine, what if you can make $1 for every single touch? And what if I teach you how to turn that $1 into $40 in a snap? You can make 40 times more money than other people. You can do this method on both your mobile phone and your computer. You won't need any skills or experience for today's method. You won't need to create any videos or websites, and you won't need any social media following. It's even 100% free. You don't need any money to start because you can do this for completely free. It's also available to everyone from all around the world, so make sure that you try it out to know for sure. We're going to be teaching you all of the steps to make this method work perfectly, and so that you can come out successful just like the way that I did. So make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Before anything else, if you want to learn how to make the most amount of money possible online, then go ahead and check out our links down below. Click on them and learn some more. Now let's get into today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video, and let's jump right into it. Website that we're going to be talking about today is called More Niche. And to get to their website, just type in moreniche.com and that should take you to this page right here. Now, first things first, we want you to click on brands right here on the upper right of the web page. And as soon as you click on that, this is where you should be brought to. If you scroll down, you're going to see all of the companies and brands that this website works with. We have Black Wolf, Brutal Force, Mail Extra, and many, many more. This indicates that you can actually go on this webpage and then promote these different brands and end up earning a ton of commissions online. So as an example for today's video, we're going to be choosing Brutal Force, and you can click on View Brand under that, and then that should redirect you to here. As you can see, Brutal Force affiliate program earn up to $200 per sale. So imagine earning $200 per sale off of pure commission and on complete autopilot. Now that's insane. Plus, there's even a $1.37 earning per click. There's a 40% commission, $106 in average order value, a 4.54% average conversion rate, and then the $1.37 earning per click that we've mentioned earlier. You can earn up to $35,000 every year if you promote Brutal Force, which is just crazy because you're not even doing anything. Now, on the main website of Brutal Force, you'll see that they sell their products at $59.99 and more. But let's say someone purchases something worth $59.99 with your link. Then you're going to earn $23.99 with only one purchase, and all you had to do was share your link. You literally did nothing to earn that $23.99, which is something that we love sharing with you guys. Earning money in the easiest ways possible, and money just like this. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. Some of their products cost $179.99. So if someone makes a purchase of that amount using your link, then you're going to earn $71.99 from another single product purchase, and as always on complete autopilot. So as you can see here, if you do end up promoting Brutal Force, then you can rely on the fact that their products are 100% legal steroid alternatives. These are bulking, cutting, and strength supplements. They contain natural ingredients. They have no side effects, and there are 5 individual products and 1 bulking and cutting stack. So to give you guys more information about this specific brand, since we think this would be the best option for you to literally earn the most money, Brutal Force steroid alternatives are designed to boost muscle growth, shred fat, and increase strength safely and legally and with no side effects. Since bodybuilding has hit the mainstream, power supplements and steroid alternatives have surged in popularity as bodybuilders and serious gym goers are craving bigger, better, faster results. Launched in 2020, Brutal Force is now one of the biggest brands on the market catering to this demand and continues to grow. Selling to over 150 countries worldwide, Brutal Force's yearly revenue is skyrocketing since its launch. Endorsed by bodybuilders, personal trainers, and numerous brand ambassadors, Brutal Force is the #1 on Google for legal steroids and the #1 on brand on the More Niche network. Now, the payments for this particular promotion, and of course, while working with More Niche, you'll get paid every 1st and 15th of each month, and you can cash out your money through bank transfer, Skrill, Bitcoin, Paxum, and a wire transfer as well, which is really great. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. So now we're going to jump into the sign up process, and to do that, just click on this orange button right here that says join More Niche to promote Brutal Force, and that should take you to this page right here. So make sure you select to be an affiliate since that's what we came here for. Now provide all the details that are being asked of you: first name, last name, email address, your password twice, and once that's all done, you can go ahead and click on sign up. Now that you've signed up and gotten your affiliate link, we want you to right away to go on findaforum.net. And we've actually already talked about this before, but like always, it's always the best way to find the perfect place to promote a particular product to very specific audiences. Now we want you to click for the categories button up here, and that's going to take you to this page where all of the different categories will be listed down, and as you probably can already tell, there are a lot of categories that you can choose from. But since our product is health related, then we're going to focus on health. Now the great thing about this is that there are actually so many under health that your link might really work on. We have bodybuilding and fitness and exercise, and our product targets both of those things, which is just absolutely great. So for now, let's go ahead and click on bodybuilding, and then you'll see all the forums that are related to bodybuilding. And what you're going to want to do is make sure that you go over all or as much as forums under here as you possibly can and post your affiliate link to get the most amount of traffic brought to the website with your link and earn the most money possible. Now remember that you can work and promote all the brands of the brands on More Niche and earn more money than you can ever imagine. And that is all of it. Again, if you want to learn how to make the most amount of money possible online, then go ahead and check out our links down below. We're sure that you will love it and you will not regret it. So that is everything. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the button